And let's finish up with number 25. Identify the block, period, group name, where appropriate, won't always be, but if it's got one, give it. Element name, element type, and relative reactivity for the elements with the following electron configurations. Now again, if you want help, if you want an example, see sample problem 5-4. So starting with neon 3s2 3p1, that's going to be in the p block. Because of the p, it's going to be in period 3 because the n equals 3. It's going to be in group 13 because I look at my main group electrons. It's a s sublevel and the p sublevel added together. That's 3 electrons in the main group. So that's going to be group 13. This doesn't really have like a super special name, this group name, but this is the boron family. The element that we're looking at is aluminum. It is a p block metal, and it has a high relative reactivity. B. Argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. Okay, p, so that's going to be in the p block. We got 4s over here, n equals 4, so it's period 4. That's group 18. So when I add my s and p electrons together, I get 8 plus the 10 electrons from the d sublevel. I get to group 18. These are the noble gases. Okay, it is krypton. It's a non-metal. Okay, all noble gases are non-metals, and it has low reactivity. It's one of the most descriptive things about the noble gases. C, yeah, krypton 4010 5s1. Okay, the highest energy electron we have is actually going to be in the d block. So we're the d block, and it's equal to 5. So period 5. We add these electrons together. We got 11 electrons total, so that's going to put us in group 11. There's no really good name here for group name. We're just going to leave that one blank. It is silver. It is a transition metal. It is a transition metal. It's got relative reactivity low. It's relatively unreactive. Then lastly, we got D, xenon, 4F1, 5D1, 6S2. So we have F1. Okay, so we're going to be in the F block. We have a 6 right here, n equals 6. So we're going to be in the 6 period. Now we are in the F block, so we are not really in a group. We're actually in between groups 3 and 4. In between groups 3 and 4. There's no real group designation for the lanthanides is what we're actually looking at. We're looking at curium. Okay, there's no group name because there's no group designation. If there's going to be a period name, it's going to be a period. We would say the lanthanides or maybe the rare earth metals, but it's not a group name. That's really refers more to the period. But they are relatively high in reactivity. So realize when we talk about relative reactivities, you're not having to list all of the things that they necessarily react with or will react with. You just need to say whether or not it's low, medium, or high reactivity.